Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Love from Lizi's July 2023 kit is now available and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's called Peach Blossom. If you are interested, I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock. We have white, which is alcohol marker friendly, a buttery yellow, black, pastel green, and grass green. Lizi's also included a full sheet of acetate. Perfect if you like to make shaker cards. There are also 3 sheets of craft cardstock, and I believe this is A4. It's slightly narrower than 8.5 by 11 and slightly longer. There are 4 pre-scored card bases with coordinating envelopes, all in craft cardstock. The first one is square size. It's about 5¼ inches by 5¼ inches. And here's the coordinating envelope. And the cardstock used for the card bases has a slightly different coloring on each side. One side the color looks a little warmer, so you do have an option of which side you'd like to use. The next card base is slimline size. It's just over 4 by 8 inches. The next card base is almost an A2 size. It's about 4 1/8 of an inch by 5 7/8 of an inch. And the last card base is 5 by 7, and we do have the coordinating envelope. Here's a look at the beautiful pattern paper that's included in the kit. It's 6 by 6 size and includes 24 single-sided pattern papers, and it's a nice heavyweight cardstock. This collection has beautiful colors, lots of peach and greens. There's a little bit of black and also some craft. There are quite a few beautiful floral designs. We have some stripes. Here's a grid pattern, more lovely florals. There's one of each design except for I think 3 or 4 of the patterns. More beautiful florals, fun geometric pattern. I believe the duplicates are the green with the white flowers. There's the beautiful floral pattern, the peach geometric, and also the light peach with the white flowers. Everything else you'll receive one of that design. There's a couple of black and white patterns. Those will be fun to use and add a pop of the peach or green color. So there are all 24 beautiful pattern papers. I'm really excited to start using this kit. Here's the stamp set that's included. There are several sentiments. Large word love, little larger hello, and we have greetings, warm hugs, thank you, best wishes, miss you, love you, and another hello. We have some beautiful florals, a couple of hearts, and a leafy branch. Here are the dies that are included in the kit. We have more of the similar flowers, a small heart, and also the words you and love. The kit does include a pack of coordinating ephemera. There are so many beautiful designs in this pack, and I will lay them all out so you can see what's included when I'm finished with the unboxing. The peel-offs this month are green with gold overlay in the pinstripe style. They match beautifully with the pattern paper. The next item is a sheet of 3 stickers, and these all have a chalkboard finish, which is really fun. And I think the black color will work well with the peach and greens in the pattern paper. Next we have a package with 2 different twines, white with orange and white with brown, and there's also a piece of jute. The colors work really well with the ephemera and pattern paper in the kit. Here's a look at the sequin mix. Lots of beautiful golds and a little bit of black in there. Lizi's even tossed in some gold holographic sequins. They're super sparkly. This is a sample size bag. If you love to use sequins, you can always purchase the larger size bag as an add-on. For embellishments, Lizi's included some tiny white pearls. If I counted correctly, I believe there are 60 total. And they're a nice small size, so they won't add a lot of extra dimension. There's also a sheet of 4 label stickers. You could add a sentiment or an image on those. And there are 2 craft tags, and they have chalkboard cardstock on the front. And with all of the chalkboard items Lizi's included in the kit, she's also added a stick of white chalk. Sometimes Lizi likes to add things that are a little bit different. The final item that's included in the kit is a roll of foam dimension. It's about 1/2 inch wide, and the dimension is 1/8 of an inch thick. And you can easily cut this down if you need smaller pieces. So that's everything that's included in Love from Lizi's July 2023 card kit called Peach Blossom. And here's a look at all of the ephemera. Lots of beautiful florals. We have a nice assortment of hearts. There's some mason jars. The little labels at the bottom fit some of the sentiments on the stamp set. I did receive a few add-ons. There are 2 peel-off bundle packs. The set on the left is all pinstripe and has gold overlay. There's green mirror, brown, I think this is the mint color, and apricot. The set on the right is the variety bundle, and it's all the black color. We have the butterfly border, sway, pinstripe, and straight. I love using Lizi's peel-offs, and the 4-pack bundles are always a good price. A couple months ago, Lizi released stitched rectangles and also stitched circles. Well, now she has a new edition, stitched ovals. There are a total of 15 dies in a nice variety of sizes. I'll show you the largest size is just a tiny bit larger than an A2 size card base. You could still use it, just the very edge goes off the end. The next size down is a perfect fit on an A2 size card. I love having the nice variety of sizes, and they're close enough together you could use that next size up as a matted layer. Lizi's dies cut beautifully, and I love how it adds that faux stitch detail along the edge. The final add-on I received is the pearlescent cardstock bundle. There's a total of 6 sheets, and these are single-sided. This month's bundle includes white, black, there's a very light green, a light brown, gold, and also a beautiful orange color. These are perfect for adding that little bit of shimmer to your cards or projects. Now here's another look at Love from Lizi's July 2023 card kit called Peach Blossom. If you are interested in purchasing the card kit or any of the add-ons I showed in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe, and I do have subscription information in the description box. I have a feeling this kit is going to sell out quickly, so if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.